Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a skull out of our tiny 1mm crystals. Because I love skulls and I love crystals. I'm going to work on a tip. I've just got a tapered square. That's all that nail is. That's the shape of it. I'm going to use Serious Black. If I was doing this on a natural nail, I would base coat the natural nail. Or if I'm using this on top of a nail extension, so whether it's acrylic, aquagel or hard gel, I would go straight onto that nail, just like I am now.
You're going to go clear onto black, aren't you?
In a minute, yeah.
Oh, God.
I'm going to top coat this colour. This is the Urban Graffiti top coat. It has no sticky layer. And that's what I need to move on to the next part. Now I'm going to use It's Clear Dear. So this is the Aquagel. I'm going to take like a pea size. Place that there. And then I'm going to use a 3D brush dipped in some gel residue wipe-off solution. And we're going to make the shape of a skull. So just use your brush to sort of tuck in the sides. So that's the basic shape. Now, we're going to use the black crystals. And use the black to create his eyes. So you're going to go like that, and then you're going to add around the outside edge, so you get that shape.
Now I can't see anything.
You definitely can't see nothing. Oh, can you just see? Just see? You see, like you need to put a torch on that.
I've already like overexposed it as well. I mean, if I go like that, see that? Even there, I can barely see it, and that's like way overexposed.
Oh dear! When the silver ones go on, you'll just see it all properly.
I don't know how you can see it. Never mind me.
Well, I am struggling a little bit, if I'm honest. But you've got to do this bit first. Yeah, I need to like hold it up here so I can...
I'm sorry for the camera.
Yeah, is that alright?
Mhm.
So you can see sparkly eyes. And then we need to do his nose. And we're just going to do 3 for his nose. And then we're going to do some teeth. You're going to stagger them across. You can just about see them. Now that's the detail bit done. The next bit's quite fun. So I've got a little plate here and I have these gorgeous, look at them. So they are like a pewter silver. There are a few different silvers. This is the brighter silver.
Yeah, use that one. I'm going to see that one.
All right.
No, I'm joking. Sorry.
I might actually.
You use what you want.
No, I'll use the brighter ones. Just for you, Adam.
And the viewers.
And I'm going to sprinkle. So this is important. It was really important to keep that background with no sticky layer. So you can see why I'm doing it on a plate, so I can gather those crystals up after. I'm going to tap off. And then I'm going to just get any of those silver ones that want to go on the eye a little bit. And also the teeth and nose. So you're just using your brush just to move them round slightly. And you can push them right into the acrygel around the edges. Like that. And then gently with your brush pat them down into the acrygel. So being able to just sprinkle them on makes everything a little bit quicker for you. Makes it really textured. So once you're happy that everything's secured down. Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Cool.
We're going to pop that into the lamp. Look, they're nice and secure. Can't move them anywhere. What do you think? I like it. I want one on my nail. Yeah, look at that. Check out the sparkle. Beautiful. Beautiful little sparkly skull. Give it a go. Let me know how you get on. Comment below, please. Everything I've used today will be listed below in the description box. It's easily found just underneath this screen that you're watching here somewhere. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.